Is your current banking setup truly giving you the best bang for your buck in 2026? If you're like me, you've probably stuck with the same primary bank for years, simply out of habit. But I recently took a hard look at what Rogers Bank is offering, especially with their credit card products, and the value proposition for a Rogers customer is now genuinely compelling. I made the switch, and here are the best, straight-to-the-point reasons why you should seriously consider moving your primary credit card spending to Rogers Bank this year. Cashback rewards, the real moneymaker. The most immediate and impactful reason to switch is the enhanced cashback structure, especially if you're already a Rogers, Fido, Shaw, or ComWave service customer. 2% unlimited cash back. I'm getting an unlimited 2% cash back on almost all eligible purchases. This isn't a rotating category that requires tracking, it's a flat rate on everyday spending, which adds up fast. The 1.5x redemption bonus, this is the key. When you redeem your cashback rewards against your eligible Rogers, Fido, or Shaw purchases, like your monthly bill, a new phone, or accessories, you get a 1.5 times redemption bonus. This effectively bumps that 2% cash back up to a 3% cashback value. For me, this means directly offsetting a significant portion of my communication expenses every month. Unbeatable US dollar value. If you travel to the US or shop online using US dollars, this feature alone could justify the switch. 3% cash back on USD purchases. Rogers Bank credit cards offer 3% unlimited cash back on eligible purchases made in US dollars. A solid foreign transaction rate. While there is a foreign transaction fee, the elevated cash back rate on USD purchases helps mitigate this. For a high-spending traveler or cross-border online shopper, the net value can still be superior to many other Canadian cards. Essential mobile and travel perks. The integrated benefits for Rogers mobile customers are significant, providing tangible annual value. 5 free Roam Like Home days. As an eligible Rogers mobile customer, I get 5 Roam Like Home days at no cost every single year. This feature is automatically applied and is great for short trips abroad, saving me the cost of 5 days of roaming charges, which can be over $90 in value annually. Device financing at 0% interest for major purchases like a new phone. The option to finance it over 36 or 48 months at 0% interest using an equal payment plan is a huge cash flow advantage. I used this for my last phone upgrade, and it was seamless. Premium features on a no-fee card. Specifically with the Rogers Red World Elite MasterCard, you get premium benefits without the burden of an annual fee, provided you meet the income requirements. No annual fee. Unlike many high-reward cards, the World Elite version has no annual fee. Included insurance coverage. This card offers a full suite of insurance benefits: out-of-province/out-of-country emergency medical, rental car collision/damage, extended warranty, and purchase protection. Having this insurance bundled on a no-fee card is a rare and valuable perk. In my experience, moving my main spending to a Rogers Bank credit card has turned my necessary Rogers services into an integral part of my reward strategy, effectively giving me a significant discount on my monthly bills and a high-rate cash back on everything else. If you are already a Rogers, Fido, or Shaw customer, the enhanced value is a no-brainer. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.